Vista 2020-24. Big round of applause. Please clap everyone. Big round of applause.
Kindly give a huge round of applause. Our professor sir is lighting up the lamp. Please give a huge round of applause.
Now this is the time for felicitation of the chief guest, Sri Saurabh Pandey, IAS, SDO Rampurhat. Now I would like to call our Pro Vice Chairman sir and our Director Habibur Rahman sir to felicitate our chief guest of Carnivista 2020-24. Huge round of applause. Huge round of applause. Thank you, sir, for coming and grace the occasion, Carnivista 2020-24. Now, I would like to handing over the mic to our principal, sir.
Good afternoon, boys and girls. Good afternoon, parents. It's a wonderful, wonderful view to see you all, and that also in this huge number, and there's more coming. You all hear from me every after now and then. The main idea to have a Carnivista, the main idea to have any kind of carnival or a program where there is a huge gathering of students and parents all around is to make sure that you all have fun and we keep on maintaining the culture of the school. I'm extremely pleased and happy and honored to present in front of you the chief guest of the day, Honorable SDO Sir of Rampurhat, Sri Saurabh Pandey ji IAS, And I think it's better today if you do not hear from me and hear from him more. What is his vision on this entire initiative that we are taking from DPS? Also, I would like to request all the parents to stay put all the way till 6 so that finally you all can enjoy the light and the LED, and at the same time the entire staff of DPS is presenting something for you which is very, very interesting. So I would like to request not to be in a hurry to go home. You're here at 12, we'll be finishing sharp at 6. Enjoy the program from the students as well as staff. Good day to you all. I would like to request Shri Saurabh Pandeyji to please come and address the audience of DPS Rampurhat.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Thank you, Principal Sir, for inviting me here. It's great to be back to school, especially if you don't have to give exams. So I am very free. I am here to enjoy. I have not been a fan of speeches during my school time, so I am very sure most of you are not interested in speeches. You are here to enjoy. But still, I would like to share something which I hold very close to my heart. There are many things you will find, there are many paths, many options you will find in life which you will have to choose and work upon your studies, sports, entertainment and career. But school gives you that path, school gives you that foundation that at least you can start on one solid, accurate path in life. Maybe other paths are correct, maybe you will find newer options. What I mean to say is my school's motto was duty first. That the motto duty first helped me a lot in life because many a times there were many options which I had to do. Will I go this way? Would I listen to that person? What is my current situation? Do I blame my current situation? Is it too hot outside to play cricket, for example? Or is it too difficult, UPSC or IS exam, is it too difficult to go for it? What to do now? It's not in my control. It's such a long process, be it IIT JEE or UPSC exams or any sports tournament or anything. So every time I remembered my school's motto, duty first. Every time I would think and tell myself, what am I supposed to do today? What am I supposed to do now? It's okay, it's a difficult situation, it might be a comfortable situation, it might be an easy situation, it might be a difficult situation. But all the time I would have one option, only one thing which I would do at that point, at that day, on that day. So I would request you all to have focus on your school life, your school's motto, so that you can have at least one strong path which you can fall back to. Because of course there are many correct ways to do things. What is the motto of DPS Rampurhat?
Service before self.
Service before self. So it's a wonderful motto. It's a wonderful motto. In fact, it is related to the motto of my school, duty first. Because what happens if you focus on yourself a lot? How does it make you feel? How did that person treat you? What am I going to get? You might not make the right choice, the right decision sometimes. What happens if you focus on service before self or duty first, then you will think what is the right thing to do. It doesn't matter who I am, it doesn't matter how it makes me feel, it doesn't matter where I come from. There is a situation, I have four people suggesting me four different things. But what is the right thing to do? What can I do right now? Should I blame it on something? Should I just wait for somebody else to do it? You might end up making a wrong decision which you will regret later. So reducing self, importance of self is actually going to help you see things clearly, see things objectively, and you will be able to make good decisions in life. So it's a very good motto. It's a very meaningful motto which your school has given you. So I think you will do very well in life. But today, I think your duty is to enjoy the carnival, today and tomorrow, of course. And sometimes it is that duty to help yourself, help your health, help your family. And a little bit selfishness is also good sometimes. But of course, most of the time you will have to think what is the right thing to do, what is your role, what is the action you need to take today. So that is the lecture or bhashan or lesson I would like to share with all the students of Rampurhat. And I'm very thankful that I was invited here. I'm seeing it's a lively environment and I'm looking forward to enjoy even maybe later today or tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring